Hey guys, we're back and
We're making slime.
yes, we are making slime. So mom went to the store and bought us some slime products. So yeah, we are gonna wait for them to make it and we're gonna be doing the family slime challenge. So we're waiting for our parents to come and then we're gonna start. So see you then. So let's do it right now. Just pour it in.
Okay, that's a good amount. Okay, Tristan, that's a good amount.
Alright, and make sure to close it.
Yes.
So
close it.
next, put some baking soda. Yeah, here's some.
Wait, is this clear slime?
Actually, we should just so there's red, yellow, green, and blue.
I'm doing blue. He's doing totally clear. I'm doing blue fluffy slime when I'm done. Like,
another salt.
Yours works. Yours definitely works.
Why don't we try and do a fluffy one and then you make the second of the one that like that?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Let's move on to fluffy
My
slime.
hands are not even
Keep it up.
Mom, look at this. My hands are not
Alright, so
even
who won that challenge?
Me.
Kristen. Wait, let me see yours.
Tristan won.
Yeah, yours works.
Good job, buddy.
So fluffy slime, we start off with glue.
How many-
The glue?
Oh, I like fluffy one. It's like whipped cream.
Yeah, exactly. It's amazing.
Photo shoots of
Yes.
like cakes and stuff.
Yes.
The look.
Can I get a white? Can I get a white? So you're gonna use the white back. I know I want it. Oh. I need a lot. There's like a post.
There we go.
Yeah, Mom, yours is good. Come on. Mine is ready for my hands. Whoa! That's some more. What, Mom?
I think it's good.
I like mine.
Yeah, drop it.
That's what?
Contact solution.
Oh, look at mine.
Nice.
Mine ready? Okay, I need some more.
I'm gonna listen to you guys.
Don't ruin your rings.
Mine
It's
is
not working.
Mine is really nice. It's not sticking anymore.
Mine is.
Buddy, how's yours coming?
Deb! You guys are all in it.
Including your children.
Oh my goodness.
Daddy, turn around.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys.
My Lord.
Hey, Grandma was in on it too.